Welcome to Quick Hub. In this video, we'll show you how to schedule a meeting with the Quick Hub support team, quickly and easily. Start by opening Quick Hub and go to the dashboard page. From here, click on Need Assistance in the side menu. Now, click on the Schedule Meeting button to set up your call. A scheduling window will appear. Simply select your preferred date and time for the meeting. Once you've chosen, click Book to confirm your slot. After that, close to finish the booking process. Once your meeting is confirmed, you'll see a Join Meeting button appear. Click on it when it's time to start your session. It will open directly in your browser or your preferred video app. Quick Hub also sends an automatic calendar invite to your Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar to verify the meeting details, including the date, time, and joining link. Then, check your Gmail inbox for the confirmation email. Click View on Google Calendar from the email to open the invite directly. Here, you'll see your scheduled meeting with all the details clearly listed. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a meeting with Quick Hub support. Stay tuned for more Quick Hub tutorials to help you make the most of your experience.